Okay, it's Saturday 19th of March and we're on a walk along the banks of the Wanganui River, just by the Jerry Hill Tower at the moment. The tower's closed because we might have an earthquake and people might die. So, elevator is out of action because of a slip on the hill up there that by the walkway we just walked down.
Don't move. Got bikes coming up behind us.
This is Taupo Key.
Right.
Taupo Key. So we're looking up Portal Street where the cars are going up the hill, and I lived in the valley to the left of it for a while in the 1990s, and now we live on top of Jerry Hill, not far from the tower. So Bert's dad restored the tram with his mate Jim, and that's the train shed over there. Tanifa.
Oh, Tanifa. Tanifa.
Nope. Wanganui's had a bit of a spruce up in the 17 years we've been away. It's Whakatori Marae over there, Motua Gardens. Been having church there in February. Settlers Wharf. There's two boats, so I thought there was only the Waimarie, so we've got the Wairua. Walking along Song Parade. So that's Tamara Backpackers. And this is a Dublin Street bridge, and it was old when I first came to the area in '71. Smiled School over there on the opposite side of the street. Jones Street, Wanganui Girls College, and we've crossed over into Kauai Park. Used to bring the kids down here when they were little. It's a good children's playground. So we used to have to run through Kauai Park for Zed when we were at Girls College, and my lazy friend Meredith never did, I always did. She would get to this whale and climb on top of it and sunbathe. Anyway, this is where I'll walk on my Saturday weekend walk down through here. It's James McGregor Park. And we walk back along this stop bank, which they keep making high, but doesn't stop the water going into Anzac Parade. So it's Anzac Parade over there. Anyone thinking of buying in Wanganui, don't buy there. And now we're out on Anzac Parade, about to walk along the riverbank. On the river walk. And now we're walking home. It's one of my favourite walks around the neighbourhood because it's pretty. So the kids called this the zigzag. And we're back up the hill. And I cut across Rodney Street here and up the walkway by the kindy. Alright. And back home into our stretch. And home.